how to convert Google AI Studio app into a web app. First, open up Google AI Studio, then click on Build from the left-hand side and select your apps. Now, locate the application which you want to convert into a web app, open it up, and then at the top you will see the Publish button. So click on Publish, and next we will need to connect it to GitHub. So if you don't have a GitHub account, you will need to create one, and then simply sync it to GitHub. Once you have connected Google AI Studio to GitHub, if you open it up here, you will be able to see it that it's currently synced. Okay, so once you have it connected to GitHub, GitHub is gonna act as a middleman. Next, you will need to go to Vercel. So here I'm on vercel.com, and I will just create a new project. You will need to connect your GitHub here as well. But basically, once you have connected it, then as you can see, you can click on Add GitHub Account and connect your GitHub account with which we just synced the data from. And here you can add your GitHub account. Now, once you have it added, you will simply click on Import. And then right here, this is going to create your app. You can set a name for it, and then you don't have to touch the application preset. After you're done, you will simply click on Deploy. And once you have deployed it, this is going to become a web app. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.